Unveiling Truthful, your key to honest English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, understanding the meaning and use of the word truthful. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone mastering English, grasping these nuances can significantly enhance your communication skills. So, let's explore the depths of being truthful together. Truthful is an adjective, and it's all about honesty and accuracy. When someone is being truthful, they are being honest and not hiding the truth. But it's not just about not lying. It's also about being accurate and sincere in what you say. Think of it as the opposite of deceitful or misleading. Now, let's see how truthful is used in different contexts. 1. Describing a person. He is a truthful person. Here, it means the person is generally honest and reliable in their statements. 2. Describing a statement. Her account of the event was truthful. This suggests that her description was accurate and not fabricated. 3. In a legal or formal context, the witness was asked to be truthful. In this scenario, it emphasizes the importance of honesty and accuracy in serious situations. Understanding synonyms and antonyms helps in grasping the concept better. Synonyms: honest, sincere, candid, frank. Antonyms: dishonest, deceitful, lying, misleading. These words are similar or opposite to truthful, and can be used to add variety to your speech or writing. In many cultures, being truthful is highly valued. It's associated with trustworthiness and integrity. Understanding this can help non-native speakers grasp why emphasis is often placed on being truthful in various social and professional scenarios. Being truthful is about more than just not lying. It's about being sincere, accurate, and honest. It's a quality admired and respected in many cultures. I hope this video helps you understand and use the word truthful more confidently in your conversations and writings. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.